We are now in Kouzi Town, situated in Yingdong District, Fuyang City, 20 kilometers away from downtown. 10 years ago, this place was still a rural area. Nowadays, it has transformed into Yingdong Chemical Industrial Park. And even at night, it is brightly illuminated with lights.
Hello everyone, this is Anhui Haoyuan Chemical Group. The staff can monitor the operations of each workshop through these large screens.
Many complementary chemical enterprises are gathered in Yingdong Chemical Industrial Park, with Anhui Haoyuan Group leading the way. The park is dedicated to developing industries such as new chemical materials and new energy materials, with the goal of becoming an emerging industry base and a distinctive manufacturing base for new chemical materials.